We'll guide you through how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on Google. You can follow this on Windows or a Mac, it doesn't matter. So a Google Docs spreadsheet is a great way of working with data. It's free to use as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and create one. Make sure this is full guide and don't try and skip anything because you may go and miss something important. And there are different ways you can access it as well. So we're going to guide you through them. To get started, come to Google, and the first way you can do this is by coming to the top right and pressing Google Apps. Make sure you're signed in first of all, by the way. If you don't currently have a Google account, press sign in and you'll see a create account button on the page. Then press Google Apps, and for the first way, you can just go and find Drive. Mine's my favorites. You may need to scroll down slightly and go and find it. Then what you need to do is go to the top left and you can press New. You'll see the option for Google Sheets and you can go and click on it, and then it'll take you to a new sheet. And before we get any further, I want to show you another way of accessing it. Alternatively, when you're on Google, you can go and press Google Apps in the top right, and you can just scroll down until you go and find Sheets and click there. You can then go and see your other sheets you've got here, and you can go and press blank at the top, or you can use a template if you want to, and it'll then go and open up. It's always a good idea to go and name it. So you can click on the name in the top left and you can name what you want. I could go and name this guide, and then you can start going and entering your data. So you can go and add in your titles and you can start adding in what data you need to. That's it. So that is how you can go and make a Google Docs spreadsheet. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out again. If you've got any video suggestions as well, please go and leave them down below. I always like to go and hear what else we can go and help with. So hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to help you again with the next guide. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.